Introducing the Pixel 10 Pro. Start with a dramatic visual of the Pixel 10 Pro, showcasing its sleek design and premium features. Stunning display, advanced camera system. Address the elephant in the room. The price tag and pique viewers. Curiosity about its value. Camera magic, taking photography to the next level. Dive deep into the Pixel 10 Pro's camera capabilities. Show real-life examples of stunning photos and videos captured with the phone. Discuss the advanced features, like Magic Eraser and Night Sight, and their impact on user experience. The software experience, a seamless blend of power and simplicity. Explore the intuitive Android. Interface and highlight its user-friendly features. Showcase the benefits of Google's AI-powered features, like Google Assistant and Live Translate. Discuss the seamless integration with Google services, like Google Photos and Gmail. Performance and battery life, the power to keep you going. Demonstrate the Pixel 10 Pro's lightning-fast performance with real-world scenarios. Analyze battery life in various usage scenarios and highlight its impressive longevity. Briefly discuss the fast charging capabilities and the convenience it offers. Final verdict, worth the investment? Recap the pros and cons of the Pixel 10 Pro. Offer a clear and concise verdict on whether the phone is worth its price. Leave viewers with a call to action.